Welcome, aspiring Python programmers, to our user input in Python video. I'm Ollie. In this video, we'll explore how to capture and use input from users in your Python programs. To get input from users, Python provides the input function. With input, your program waits for user input and stores it as a string. Imagine a virtual keyboard. Input is like waiting for the user to type something on it. Let's start by capturing user input using the input function. With input, your program waits for the user to provide information, and it's stored as a string. In this example, we prompt the user to enter their name and then greet them. User input is typically in the form of strings, but you may need to convert it to other data types. You can use type conversion functions like int, float, or bool to convert input. Think of a temperature converter. You take input in Fahrenheit, but you need to convert it to Celsius. User input is often in the form of strings, but sometimes you need to convert it to other data types. You can use type conversion functions like float to convert to input. In this code, we capture the temperature in Fahrenheit and convert it to Celsius. User input often involves choices. You can use conditional statements to handle those choices. Conditional statements like if and else help your program make decisions based on user input. Consider a menu at a restaurant. Conditional statements help your program respond to the user's menu choice. User input often involves choices. You can use conditional statements to handle these choices. And in this example, the user is given options to choose yes or no. And we use an if-else statement to respond accordingly. When you need multiple inputs, loops are handy. A while loop lets your program repeatedly get input until a certain condition is met. Think of a user survey. A loop helps you collect answers to multiple questions. When you need to collect multiple inputs, loops are a powerful tool. In this code, we use a while loop to repeatedly gather answers from the user until they decide to quit. The answers are stored in a list and displayed at the end. That's a wrap on user input in Python. Interacting with users is a fundamental skill, and Python makes it accessible. We hope this video has given you the tools to capture and utilize user input in your Python program. To dive deep into the topic and work on exercises, head over to our notebook on Google Colab and GitHub. This link can be found in the description box. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.